The new baby fits right into Betty and Bob's life, but not their house. Tour of home. Joyce and Jerry want to downsize. Tour of home. Sarah and Sam have no pictures. Monica is ready for a contest. All the free Master Builders Tour of Homes with new homes, condos, and townhomes all over King and Snohomish counties. And the chance to win a vacation to Los Cabos. Pick up your free guidebook at any QFC or log on to masterbuilderstourofhomes.com.
Many visit the Clearwater Casino Resort to enjoy its pristine setting on a lovely Others, not so much.
I just won $150,000
Next to beautiful Bay Bridge Island is the Squamish Clearwater Casino Resort, where winning comes naturally.
New tonight, Trouble 4 News at 11 o'clock. An elderly Bellingham woman is in trouble for shooting a puppy. And it isn't just the shooting that has made with the puppy at the time. And thanks to a young mother from our area is a victim of domestic violence. Why her family says the case still isn't over, even though her ex-boyfriend has already gone to prison. Tonight on Como 4 News at 11 o'clock.
Hope you have a good evening. Thanks so much for joining us, and we do see you tonight at 11.
Have a good evening.
Bye-bye, guys.
Model here is event. And now, getting the new Silverado you want is easy. Just go to Chevy.com and find a great offer. Pick your model. Pick your
What was that?
But you better do it now.
Huh?
Get to your dealer before yours is gone. Get 0% APR for 60 months for well-qualified buyers for an average finance savings of $62.29 on the 07 Silverado half-ton crew cab. Click on Chevy.com. Then see your participating Northwest Chevy dealer.
Rex put his trust in Highline Medical Center. So did Mary. At Highline, patients who need brain or spine surgery benefit from an expert neurosurgical team equipped with state-of-the-art image-guided technology that can make surgery less invasive and recovery faster, so you can get back on your game. Right, Jennifer? Highline Medical